Quick and easy factoring. The process of rewriting a polynomial as a product of two or more factors is called factoring the polynomial. The greatest common monomial factor is the greatest coefficient and the highest degree that evenly divides all the terms in the polynomial. An example would be 5x to the third minus 15x to the squared can be divided by 5x to the squared because 5x cubed minus 15x squared both have a 5 and an x squared. So your answer would be 5x squared times x minus 3. You can check that answer by multiplying your factors. So x minus 3 times 5x squared is 5x cubed minus 15x squared. You can check that answer by multiplying your factors. So x minus 3 times 5x squared is 5x cubed minus 15x squared. And that was your original equation, so that answer checks out. Factoring theorems. The difference of squares factoring theorem states, for all a and b, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. The binomial square factoring theorem states, for all a and b, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b squared. And a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b squared. All factors in a polynomial must be prime to be factorable. A factoring example would be x squared minus 24x plus 144. First, you must find the factors of 144. They are 1 and 144, 2 and 72, 3 and 48, 4 and 36, 6 and 24, 8 and 18, 9 and 16, and 12 times 12. Well, 12 times 12 equals 144, and added together, 12 plus 12 equals 24. But it must be negative, so negative 12 plus negative 12 equals negative 24. Therefore, your factors of x squared minus 24x plus 144 are x minus 12 and x minus 12. Or simplified, you can write it as x minus 12 squared. You can check your answers by multiplying your factors and to check to see whether you received the same equation that you started with. So to check this problem, you do x minus 12 times x minus 12. X times x is x squared. X times negative 12 is negative 12. Negative 12 times x is negative 12x. And negative 12 times negative 12 is positive 144. If you add straight down, x squared plus nothing is x squared. Negative 12x plus negative 12x equals a negative 24x. And 144 plus nothing is 144. Your answer checks out, and your factors of x squared minus 24x plus 144 is x minus 12 squared.